So this is a bathroom. This is also a bathroom with a water stain on the ceiling. So in this video, I'd like to help you, the property manager, diagnose a water stain in a bathroom, or really any place that has a plumbing fixture in that vicinity of the water stain. So first off, we see that there's an AC register on the ceiling. So this water stain could be the result of an AC related issue. However, since we're in a bathroom, all bathrooms have sewer vent pipes that go to the exterior. They usually go through the roof. This is important to remember. Whenever there's a plumbing fixture nearby, there's also likely a sewer vent pipe that goes through the roof somewhere to the exterior, so it could potentially also be a roof leak. Since we know that it's a bathroom, there's also going to be water supply lines likely in this vicinity, so it could potentially be a water leak from a water supply line. Say there's another floor above the ceiling. This can make it more complex. It could potentially be another plumbing fixture that's leaking, causing this water stain. So you see how complex it became? We potentially need to send out 3 different trades just to solve the water flowing issue. We may need to send out a roofer if it's a roof leak. We may need to send out an AC technician if it's an AC related issue. And we may need to send out a plumber if it's a plumbing issue. All this comes back to is, as a property manager, you want to try as much as you can to do some due diligence, and that usually will involve calling the tenant, trying to dig a little deeper, narrow it down as much as you can. There are going to be times when you just won't be able to narrow it down. Water can be a really tricky thing to narrow down, but we should at least attempt to try and narrow it down as much as we can. Sometimes you're just going to have to send someone out to do preliminary investigating and find out what is the cause of the leak. So in conclusion, if you see a water stain, you need to find out if there is a plumbing fixture in the vicinity. If there is, you need to remember that there is going to be a sewer vent pipe, which potentially makes it a roof leak, and you're going to have water and drain lines, which potentially makes it a water supply leak or a drain leak. If you see an AC vent, in this case, it's potentially also an AC related issue. Well, I hope this little video was helpful. Have a great day, and bye for now.